It is my honor this morning to welcome the choir of Midway Christian Church as they bring to us our anthem, "Oh, Fill My Cup." This is a unique opportunity for us as the congregation because the congregation is invited to join in the singing of the last verse of the anthem. The verse and the words will be up on the screen. So remember, for the last verse, we join in singing with the choir.
Oh, fill my cup, let it overflow. Oh, fill my cup, let it overflow. Oh, fill my cup, let it overflow. Let it overflow with love. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we've no less days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. Oh, fill my cup, let it overflow. Oh, fill my cup, let it overflow. Oh, fill my cup.